One of the most essential metrics for evaluating the success of any investment is ROI, or return on investment. Whether you're assessing a stock, real estate, or even a business venture, calculating ROI helps you determine how well your money is working for you. Let's break it down into easy steps. Step 1. Understanding the ROI formula. The formula for ROI is straightforward. ROI equals net profit divided by cost of investment times 100. It's expressed as a percentage and shows how much profit you've earned compared to the amount you invested. In simpler terms, ROI answers the question, how much return did I get for every dollar invested? Step 2. Identifying the costs. The cost of investment is the total amount of money you've put into an investment. This can include the initial purchase price, transaction fees, and any other costs associated with maintaining the investment. Step 3. Determining net profit. Net profit is what you've earned from the investment after subtracting your initial costs. If you're calculating the ROI of a stock, for example, net profit includes capital gains and dividends. For real estate, it's the selling price minus all expenses like maintenance and taxes. Step 4. Plugging numbers into the formula. For example, let's say you invested $1,000 in stocks and after selling them, you made a net profit of $200. Your ROI would be ROI equals $200 divided by $1,000, then multiplied by 100, which equals 20%. This means your investment returned 20% more than what you initially put in. Step 5. Evaluating the ROI. Now that you have your ROI percentage, you can evaluate how successful the investment was. A positive ROI means you've made a profit, while a negative ROI indicates a loss. The higher the ROI, the more effective the investment is. Conclusion. ROI is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for measuring investment performance. By understanding and applying this formula, you'll be able to make better financial decisions and maximize your returns. For more insights into financial calculations and investing tips, make sure to subscribe to Enki Insights.